Well, all eyes are on Georgia this morning, as a judge is expected to issue a ruling on whether or not to disqualify Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from overseeing former President Donald Trump's election interference trial. Trump's attorneys say Willis's romantic relationship with the special prosecutor she hired for the case presents a conflict of interest. Today's anticipated ruling follows several other major developments in the former president's legal battles. Yesterday in Florida, the judge overseeing his classified documents case denied one of two motions to dismiss the charges. And in New York City, the Manhattan district attorney says that he is willing to delay the hush money criminal trial by 30 days. He wants to give the former president's lawyers time to review evidence they only recently obtained. Nikole Killion is in Atlanta waiting on that Fani Willis decision, and she's joining us now to discuss. Good to see you. Nikole, let's start with this. So at risk here is that Fani Willis would be disqualified from this case. Then what happens? Because it's not just her. It would be her whole team as well, right?
Well, I think let's take a step back and we'll see what the judge ultimately rules, but certainly, yes, her job is on the line, and probably one of the biggest cases that she has been a part of is on the line. But again, what this comes down to is whether or not there was any conflict of interest with respect to her relationship with Nathan Wade. What was argued in a series of hearings last month by her team is that they don't believe that there was that conflict of interest. Yes, they had a relationship, but it didn't rise to that threshold. We know Judge Scott McAfee has spent the better part of 2 weeks working on this decision, drafting this decision. He has said he expects to make it public today, so time will tell what the status will be of the district attorney and her case. If she's not disqualified, obviously the case will move forward, but if she is, it could potentially delay the case, upend the case, because it would likely have to be assigned to another attorney here in Georgia.
All right, so let's move on to a couple of other cases now. The one in Florida, Judge Cannon denied one of Trump's motions to dismiss charges in the classified documents case there. She didn't entirely sort of throw them out of court, but they didn't get their way. How did she come to this conclusion?
Well, basically, Trump's attorneys, interestingly, this is another situation where we're seeing charges potentially being dismissed. That certainly was the request of the Trump team, and they were arguing on the grounds of the Espionage Act. They claimed that it was very vague, and so from that standpoint, they didn't feel that there was enough to go forward in terms of moving ahead with this trial. But Judge Eileen Cannon didn't necessarily agree with that. She kind of dismissed their request on those grounds, saying that there were still some questions surrounding that particular law and clause as it pertains to this case. And then they were also seeking dismissal on the grounds of the Presidential Records Act, saying that it protects the former president from prosecution. And the judge didn't necessarily buy that argument either. So again, even though this is a judge that was appointed by the former president, in this instance, she held her ground.
All right, moving on up to Manhattan. The hush money case, which was the only case that actually had a date, I think it was supposed to start the 25th. The Manhattan DA says that he is willing to delay the trial for up to 30 days. I think Trump's attorneys wanted a little more time than that. How did he come to that decision?
Well, this has to do with additional evidence that recently was put forth by the U.S. Attorney's Office, and this is information that both sides had been pressing for some time. They're just now getting those documents, and so the Trump team said, look, we need time to go through this. They want at least 90 days to do so, but District Attorney Alvin Bragg said, we'd be willing to delay this case by up to 30 days, by up to a month, if need be, to allow the other side time to go through this. So that is why there was this request made to delay the start of this trial, which again was due to start at the end of this month.
All right, Nikole, thank you very much.